Hello friends, and welcome to Faro DIY and Decor. Today I'm going to show you how I decored this beautiful small bedroom. The first thing we did was applying painter's tape to the corners of the wall, and then I opened this beautiful dark forest green paint and applied it on this wall. So I repainted only one wall dark forest green, and then the rest of the three other walls are white. The family members helped me a lot. Actually, they did all the work. They painted this wall and some other furnitures in this that we're going to use in this room. So this beautiful dresser was in this room. It's beautiful and perfect shape. The only thing that it needed just a little touch-up. So I used the painter's tape to cover the sides that I did not want the paint to apply on, and then covered it with the elephant gray paint. First of all, I used the elephant gray, but then it was a little bit darker, so I added a little white to it. So the result that you will see is much lighter than this dark gray paint. So here we go with the second item in this bedroom that needed a touch-up. This was in a perfect shape also, but it was dark. So we had to apply some new fresh paint on it. And basically my color is white. Whenever you use white color in a bedroom, kitchen, living room, or wherever the room is, it will show it lighter, and also will the effects will give you that the room is bigger than what it is. So it's better to use lighter colors than darker colors. First of all, I applied the paint with a brush, and then used spray paint to reach to the areas that the brush could not reach. So here I can show you that without priming, it is really hard to reach out to all corners of the whatever item that you're painting. First, apply the primer, and then you can use any kind of paint on top of it. We used approximately 5 to 6 cans of spray paint to cover this wall desk, and one roll of self-adhesive paper sheet. So this paper sheet, I applied it on top of the this counter, because mostly you'll put your items on it, you'll write down your notebooks, laptop, or whatever, and then it's going to scratch the paint a lot. So if you can apply the same color of this kind of self-adhesive contact papers, it's better to use it. And as you can see at the end, at the result, you will not be able to even say that we use some kind of contact paper to cover this wall desk, because it's just the same color of white. Every room needs a mirror. Either you use it to increase the light in the room, for dressing purposes, or just a decoration piece. This beautiful mirror also needed just few touch-ups, so we used this metallic finish spray paint and covered the mirror frame with it. It really matched the dark forest wall. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and press the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. And here we go with the rack. Do not forget to add a beautiful cozy rack to the room whenever you are decorating it, and change the older one, or just give it a wash and clean it. click on the link to see how I made this wall shelf. I made it for another video, that I am adding the link here, so don't forget to check it. These beautiful 3 pieces of wall decor is also a DIY, and here is the link. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share your ideas in the comment section and also share this video with your friends. I post new videos every single week, so please do not forget to check my other videos. See you in my next one.